Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm you have the SharePoint site URL and adequate permissions, then open Power BI Desktop. From Get Data, choose More and pick SharePoint Online List. This is the only built-in connector that reads lists. When prompted, paste the site route, not the list page, so Power BI can enumerate all lists. For authentication, pick Organizational Account and sign in. Once done, Power BI shows Navigator with your lists. Select the list you want to load or transform. Once you choose Transform Data, you'll use Power Query to make the list usable. You can expand complex SharePoint columns, convert types, and remove unneeded fields. This reduces model size and prevents refresh errors. If columns are lookups or attachments, expand the related tables or merge them with the main query using ID keys. After shaping, apply close and apply to load to the model. Make sure to set correct column types and a stable key to preserve relationships and refresh reliability. You finalize by publishing the PBICs to the Power BI service and configuring dataset credentials under Settings. Choose OAuth for SharePoint Online. Then set Scheduled Refresh if your list's live behind a firewall use and on-premises data gateway. Make sure refresh succeeds and that the service account has access to the site. If something breaks, first verify the site URL and account permissions, then inspect column type changes or lookup columns. These are the most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.